हेलो एंड वेलकम टू दिस चैनल। आज का इस वीडियो में हम लोग बार्टर सिस्टम्स को लेके बात करने वाला है, द मीनिंग ऑफ बार्टर सिस्टम, एंड ऑल्सो वी विल डिस्कस फोर मेजर डिसएडवांटेजेस ऑफ द बार्टर सिस्टम। Dear student, if we look back 300 years, 400 years, 500 years or thousands years back, we will see that that time barter system was too much practicing and it was popularized that time. But in the present world, we can't do the barter system due to some problems, due to some reasons. Today in this video, we will discuss four major problems, four major reasons why barter system cannot be practiced in the present world. Dear student, let me tell you first the meaning of barter system. Barter system means exchange of commodities against commodities. Let me repeat once again. Barter system means exchange of commodities against commodities. एक चीज के बदले दूसरे चीज. Exchange of commodities against commodities. Dear student, in this world nobody is self-sufficient and nobody can say I am satisfied with my all the goods and services. Nobody can produce all the goods and services which one he wants to satisfy himself. All the peoples are interdependent on each other, and this interdependence leads to barter system. Here on the screen you can see one examples are here, two persons, Omit and Bappan. Omit he produce rice, Bappan he produce sugarcane. Omit he has rice, he wants sugarcane, and Bappan he has sugarcane, he wants rice. So there will be a exchange between Omit and Bappan, between rice and sugarcane. There will be a direct exchange between Omit and Bappan, and this is called the barter system, exchange of commodities against commodities. Omit will give rice to Bappan and Bappan will give sugarcane to Omit. There will be a direct exchange between Omit and Bappan. This is the meaning of barter system, exchange of commodities against commodities. Dear student, now we will discuss the four major disadvantages of the barter system. The four main reasons of the barter system. Why we can't practice the barter system in the present days? What are the main problems? Dear student, in the earlier time, population was very less and the people's demand was very less. Life was too much simple and wants of the people were very few. That's why that time barter system was very much popular. People exchange the commodities by commodities. But in the present days, we have the money, we have the medium of exchange. We are not exchanging commodities by commodities. We have money, we have medium of exchange. Dear student, now I will explain you all the disadvantages of the barter system. So our first point is lack of double coincidence of wants. Dear student, on the screen you can see that barter system does not work when there is a lack of double coincidence of wants. Two persons are here, Mr. A and Mr. B. Mr. A he produce rice, Mr. B he produce sugar. Mr. A he has rice, he wants sugar, and Mr. B he has sugar, he wants rice. So there will be a direct exchange between Mr. A and Mr. B. But the problems will come when Mr. A he has rice, he wants sugar. No problem. But Mr. B he has sugar but he don't wants rice. He wants fish. So there will be a lack of double coincidence of wants. And barter system does not work when there is lack of double coincidence of wants. Our second point is lacks a common units of account. Dear student, the barter system lacks a common unit of account. The value of each commodity has to be expressed in terms of the value of another commodity. For example, here you can see on the screen one apple is equal to 2 guavas. We can exchange one apples by giving 2 guavas. No problems, we can exchange. But similarly, for other commodities to be exchanged in the market, it is impossible for the consumer to keep in mind the actual rates of exchanges. Let me repeat once again, barter system does not work where a lacks of common units of account. To exchange some things, we need to find out the actual measurement, the actual value of a commodity. The value of each commodity has to be expressed in terms of another commodity. Here on the screen you can see one apple is equal to 2 guava. We can exchange one apples by giving 2 guavas, no problem. But similarly, for other commodities to be exchanged in the market, it is impossible for ourselves, for the consumer, to keep in mind the actual rates of exchanges. But in the present days, in the money economy, it replaces the barter system and removes these problems. Our third disadvantage is Commodities are indivisible. Dear student, barter system does not work when the commodities are indivisible. Barter system means exchanging of commodities by commodities. But when the commodities are indivisible, in that time we can't do the barter system. Here on the screen you can see one elephant is there and some pieces of bread is there. We can't do the exchange by giving some bread and by one elephant. We can't do the exchange. The value of a piece of bread is low and the value of elephant is high, but the elephant is not divisible. We can't divide the elephant and it's not divisible. Dear student, the money economy removes these problems of indivisibility. Money is divisible and money can settle even a small value of transactions. Let me repeat once again. Commodities are indivisible. Barter system does not work when the commodities are indivisible. Here on the screen you can see two examples are here. One is elephant, another one is some pieces of bread. We can't exchange by one elephant to some pieces of bread because the value of elephant is higher than the value of bread. But the elephant is not divisible also. We can't divide the elephant. So in the present days, in the money economy, money removes these problems. Money, with the help of money we can settle even a small value of transaction. Dear student, our last disadvantage, our fourth disadvantage of the barter system is lacks a store value of goods and services. Dear student, you can see on the screen two examples are here. One is fish, another one is milk. We can take fish and milk for so many days because these two things are perishable things. Fish, milk, then eggs and so many things. These are the perishable things. We can't take it for so many days. We can't store these things for so many days. If it's a rice, if it's a cloth, we can take, no problem. But barter system does not work where there is a lack of store value of goods and services. Because fish we can't store it for so many days, then milk we can't store it for so many days, and barter system does not work where there is a store value of goods and services is very less. We can't store it for so many days. In that situation, in that moment, barter system does not work. So dear student, I hope all of you understood the meaning of barter system and the four disadvantages of the barter system. Dear student, this channel really needs all of your love, support and care. Please subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. And if you have any doubts regarding barter system or regarding any topics of the economics, please do comment in the comment box. Our team will try to cover all the topics of economics. So don't worry, just subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon and let us enjoy the learning together. Thank you very much guys for watching this.